chacho bibia mo bibiara kwa ba e de ba Kof TV so zip show na oguso a wo hye na ene menya TAP2 e wa ase sa branch se ba no ayigbe pa ya oboa we up and coming artist actually we brutal connect.
Yeah. Ayosa critical plasma Vasco. Check it out. Yeah.
I discovered my passion, that be my do-re-mi. I dey call on my God every day when I fall on my knees. Your showers of blessing, let them follow me. Cause only now you can render all that I need. Nananya me, waiting I go do. Nananya me, if you know be say na you. Nananya me. Waiting I go do, na me. If you know be say na you. Waiting I go do, waiting I go say. You know be you will help me, Baba God. Waiting I go do.
Na said them bia me catch you bibiara say, oh yeah, up and coming artist simple. Your number no egu ase, and I say your number no screen so. O friend, your beba no abedi juma. O pesa Ghana obi ato nka I say ne o ma up and coming talent nyina on break cra e free no ane so be friend number ne keke ana be WhatsApp ye keke o de onyom beba ne ati wo ye good on so ye be mo aba bi TAP2 o ba say brebiana.
Or when coming here, I just chat you on WhatsApp and you told me to come on the show. That's why I'm here.
So you did not pass through any difficulties?
Oh, it wasn't all that difficult. Yeah, I would say it wasn't all that difficult. Yeah.
So what you intend to do when it comes to music?
Oh, when it comes to music stuff, you see, as an upcoming artist, I want to improve. I want to push harder, promote my songs on all social media, go to radio tours, and do more. Yeah, I want to reach the level where the stars are. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for.
How long have you been underground?
Oh, okay. I would say I started music in SHS, but when I was a kid too, I started doing music. But pushing my music and writing songs, I started it as at a SHS level. So I would say right now I'm in the music game for maybe 4 years or 5 years now.
Do you do other things apart from music?
No, actually I don't do any other thing. I do some designing works, and I'm now learning studio production.
Are you a student?
Yeah, I've completed. Right now I'm not in tertiary yet, but right now I'm doing some studio production. I'm learning sound engineering.
At where?
Oh, I'm learning it in Connect Studio.
Okay, so right now, can you do something for our viewers to see that we are not bragging over TAP2?
So, okay, Charlie. Ejovo, o convert newspaper. Ya woju mama wakume abe some paper. Bedeka o come nye scrap de la. Egbela o kata over here and yefe umbrella. If I'm a new vena be me Range Rover. He made my problems small like a pen cover. Me I no go shiva. Today I'm a hit maker. If I no gamula cry, go de la 10 mila. Ekrom nyefe tame ufu wabe shampoo. Nye meza fofuflo ena me do kambu. De come futo come abe cartoon. Dare me do to afire share ko ube TAP2. Whenever wa comedy o me do goji wasi aga ka wo kata won le jujibe na wa no wine na me da food diva head clear never go the mind them see kojo bi they are coming from behind. TAP2 upon the mic.
When it comes to music, you are very good. So can you rap in Chi or English?
Yeah, I do both Chi and English. I do all these things.
So can you try on that?
I can try.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. A band Ghana rapper. I am the mighty father. Mo rapper she mo bottom na media mi kutabaga. Go ask your area baba. That who be the top the rapper. Obi samu bechere we say I'm sharper than the dagger. Musro Mrs. Jata and Nadu Krapumunda. You travel to Lesotho Kra Wakuma Betimbenka. Mejuaneti se ponko. Nenloko na vadumko. Rapper ye mi daily bread me riniti se monko. A man defeated, the sick is undisputed. And when I believe my mouth to talk, the punch is unresisted. among the rappers, now me they call the baddest. You want to try to bring me down, I swear you miss your target. Rapper by your tanam tamina makwa sakoda. Say wo 3 year oya, me madwini na Ebola. Mama me beat biara, bury it is a shoulder. Make you never compare with me because you rap the baller. You better the rapper because you rap the faster. Can them rap the boys the one that say the guy be small but still they conquer. He over be my father. He be the great to get the power. Give me the TAP2 upon them.
When it comes to rap, second to none. TAP2 is very good. As I told you, opeso bejuma diwe so very simple. Your number no on my friend and so you be said the TAP2 yeah when you are aha also be say no about your dear. TAP2, who is your mentor? Who motivates you to do all this stuff?
Oh, right now I listen to a lot of rappers.
Okay.
But the rapper that motivates me is Strong Man.
Strong G.
Strong G and Sarkodie.
Why?
Oh, because listening, comparing them to other rappers, no.
Okay.
I see that those guys, when you follow them, you can go far. Strong G Angasa is my mentor.
I thought you were coming to say Igwe them or Duweji. Even Yapuno is also from that part of region. I thought you were coming to mention one of them, but you are saying Strong G and Sako there.
Okay. Oh, okay. I would say it doesn't mean I'm a Volta guy, so I need to follow only Volta rappers. The guy that motivates me, I feel his flows is Strong G. So I just use Strong G styles to write my flows in Ewe. Or sometimes in Tree. I try to follow him, but not exactly the same style he's doing. Okay. He just motivates me, yeah.
So right now, do you have album or you have single? Which one do you have?
Oh, right now I have some singles. I'm working on album. I'm working on some album, but right now I have some singles. When you go to online everywhere, you can get. Just type TAP2. Okay. You see my songs on Google, Facebook, everywhere. Yeah.
So which one are you promoting right now?
The song I'm promoting right now is titled Nana Nyami.
Nana Nyami.
Yeah, Nana Nyami. When you go to Google, just type TAP2. Nana Nyami featuring DJ Critical. Yeah. So when you go to Google, just type TAP2, you see all my songs over there. But the one I'm promoting right now is Nane Nyami.
Nane Nyami.
Yeah.
Okay. Which social media should we follow you? Should in case someone want to follow you?
Oh, okay. I have all my stuffs on all social medias: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, everywhere. So you go there. Just
what name?
TAP2. That's the
TAP2.
name. The Facebook name is Christian Tap. But when you go to the page, Ankasa is TAP2. Okay. Everywhere, Twitter, TAP2, Instagram, TAP2, YouTube, TAP2, everywhere is TAP2.
Okay. Do you have manager?
Oh, right now, I don't have any manager, but...
You are managing yourself?
I'm managing myself.
Then it's not easy.
Oh, it's not easy, it's not easy.
And you are not working too. Where do you get your money from?
Oh, sometimes when I work, I get some little money, maybe some from studio production and all those stuff too. I get some little money over there.
Have you had any opportunity to perform?
I had some opportunities to perform at the YFM show at Lakeside this year.
Abono Lakeside.
Yeah, that place on this Easter I performed over there, and I performed on the show hosted by Abin FM at Ejuso. I performed over there, and I went on many platforms too as well. But yeah.
So music is doing well.
Oh, music, as I can say, I'm going higher as I can say, but hopefully I'll reach there.
You reach there in no time. Yeah, that is TAP2 for you. TAP2, I'm very grateful to have you today. Right, you murder it. You really murder it. When it comes to rap, I trust you. You can do it. And when it comes to this show, we have little thing that we do. We call it the zip. When you open, then you answer a few questions over there. Are you ready to answer?
Oh, I'm ready.
Okay. So you are coming to differentiate when you say vehicle and car. Differentiate it.
When you say vehicle, vehicle is something that moves on the road in the form of a machine that moves on the road. Okay, bicycle too is a vehicle, motor is a vehicle. Okay. Those long articulator trucks, they are vehicles. Okay. And car, I would say, let's say a taxi car is a car. And a car, Okay, a vehicle is something that moves on the road. It's a general word, a vehicle. And a car. A car is under vehicle. I would say, yeah, we have car and we have vehicle. So a car is something in form of taxi, articulator truck, tipper truck, and those things, they are car. So, yeah.
Thank you very much. It so on saka video yi bia aya also share and answer was so or comment bia also betimi dia aba your number go ase so friend a ye beba ne no aba be di juma and tap 2 and amenya no ase amene ne atwetwe nkomo follow no tap 2 all the social media handles. Aha, follow no and I feel so the nyomfoforo bia aba your friend na ne nyame enti yema modern ne support tap 2 na me ye sure say tap 2 obeteki Ghana to the world. Me ameka say your friend Kwame Mario. That's any best sounds with the bye bye.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.